Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to block spam in Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. Thunderbird includes several tools that can help you reduce unwanted messages and keep your inbox cleaner. So let's get started. First, open Thunderbird and review the unwanted messages in your inbox. When you identify a message as spam, use the available junk or spam option to mark it accordingly. Thunderbird can learn from the messages you mark as junk and improve its filtering over time. So make sure you consistently mark unwanted messages instead of simply deleting them. You can also create filters to automatically move messages from specific senders or containing certain words into a junk folder. If a particular sender continues to send unwanted emails, you may be able to create a filter that moves future messages from that address automatically. It's also important to be careful when interacting with suspicious emails. Avoid clicking unknown links or opening unexpected attachments, even if the message looks convincing. Review your junk folder occasionally in case a legitimate message was filtered incorrectly. If you find an important email there, mark it as not junk and move it back to your inbox. Over time, regularly using Thunderbird's junk controls and filters can help reduce unwanted messages. And that's how to block spam in Mozilla Thunderbird. Combining the junk controls with smart email filters can help keep your inbox cleaner and easier to manage. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.